for a long time, I've used the term an AI first code base. So, what that means is I want to set up all my code bases to be very easily explored by the agent, right? Especially several months ago, I had a hard time navigating my larger code bases, and I needed to really rely on the agent to find the relevant files, which sometimes goes against. I forget what all the tools are nowadays, but the agent has the ability to like grep your code base and use like string matching and all sorts of exploration techniques to find relevant files, folders, and whatnot. Um, but basically, this is a nice way to make it very search optimized for the agent. So highly navigable. The code is well organized, easy to read. Above all my files, functions, stuff like that, because it helps me understand them as well as the agent. I feel like I've kind of blabbed for a minute, but this outlines kind of your entire checklist from start to finish for how you're going to build the project. Really important is I have this set up to keep these phases iterative so that each one builds on itself. I want a working product through every phase of my project. Through Gauntlet, if you try and make your phases feature based, sometimes you'll risk not having a usable product along the way because one feature may not work until another one's developed. So even though these are relatively feature based, I try to separate it into the setup phase and then like an MVP phase and then like several more like expansion phases on top of that. That way the thing actually works all the way through delivery. And that's pretty much the scaffolding approach of my code bases. They all start with these steps that I've outlined here every single time, and it's worked really well for me.